Well, Mr. Boston, I don't want to seem like I'm greedy for filing a medical malpractice case. Or, Mr. Boston, I don't want my neighbors or my friends to think less of me because I'm filing a childbirth injury case on behalf of my injured child. Want to know what I'm talking about? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland. And I would like to talk with you today quickly about those statements that I just said. We have individuals that sometimes call us and they are concerned about these things. They are concerned that their neighbors are going to look at them as being greedy if they file a medical malpractice case, or that their neighbors and friends are going to some way look down on them because they're filing a childbirth injury case on behalf of their injured child. Well, I would like to help you with this today. If you are watching this video and you're feeling the same thing, you are kind of torn between, okay, will I be a bad person if I file a medical malpractice case in Maryland or a childbirth injury case? And the best way to help you understand this is through an example, a simple example. Let's look at it like this. Let's say that we have some neighborhood kids playing at their house. They're playing in the backyard. And one of the children, they're playing baseball and they're playing catch and they're throwing the ball back and forth. They're having a good time, just like little kids do. But one of the children, they wind up and they throw the ball too hard. It leaves 1 yard and it goes over into the other yard. And when it goes into the other yard, you know what it does. Yep, that's what it does. It breaks out the other neighbor's window. I mean, shatters it. The window is gone. And what do little kids do? They look and they say, oh boy, uh-oh. That's what they do. And that's what happens in this instance. And the window is broken. How do we deal with situations like this in society? Well, what we do is the parents of the little child who threw the ball, they step up to the plate and they pay for the window. They pay for the damage or the harm that was done to the neighbor's window. They don't say, well, you know what, little Johnny, did you intend to throw that ball through the window? Is that what you were looking to do? No, that's not what we do in society. What we do is we step up and we hold those who are responsible for the harms to others. We hold them responsible. And in this case, the parents, more than likely, they're going to step up and they're going to pay for the damage that's done to the neighbor's window. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this? Because if you're watching this video, more than likely, you're thinking the same thing. More than likely, you're watching this video and you're wondering, well, you know what? Will I look greedy or will my friends look down on me because I'm thinking about filing a medical malpractice or a childbirth injury case? Well, remember, like I said in that example, what we do in society is when people cause harm to us, they are held responsible for the harms that they cause, regardless of whether it was intentional or not. If they caused the harm in our society, we say that you are responsible for the harms that you caused. If you would like to talk with someone more about your situation, or you would like to just talk through what you might be thinking right now in regards to what's going on with you, this is what I invite you to do. And remember, guys, it costs you absolutely nothing to take this next action. And that is to go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832. Or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland childbirth injury and medical malpractice questions like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to take some time and listen to your story. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Guys, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.